Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2016 Dodge Charger, and in this short video I will show you all the fuses and relays you have to check in case your radiator fans are not working. This video will apply to 7th generation of Dodge Chargers made from 2011 all the way up to 2021. The fuse box is located just under the front hood right here. To open it, you'll have two clips, one on this side, one on this side. You want to press them at the same time and leave the cover straight up. And on the back side of the cover, you'll have a nice fuse diagram. Okay, first fuse to check would be fuse number 2, and it's the 40 amp fuse right here, which supplies power to the radiator fan number 1. Next fuse to check would be fuse number 18. It's 50 amp fuse located right here, which supplies power to the radiator fan number 2. So these two fuses to start. Third fuse to check would be fuse number 39. It's a 10 amp fuse located right here, so the first fuse on the right, and this is the fuse responsible for the power to radiator fan relay. And once you checked all the fuses, the radiator fan relays are relays number 57 and 58. So these are the two. So what you can try doing, you can try replacing, if one of the fans is not working, with either of the other relays of the same kind and see if it makes any difference. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.